Ever wondered how quality is assured in project management? Today, we delve into the world of quality assurance. Quality assurance, often abbreviated as QA, is a key aspect of project management. It's all about ensuring that the deliverables of a project meet the specified quality standards and requirements. But it's not just about ticking boxes or meeting the bare minimum, it's about striving for excellence and exceeding expectations. So how do we ensure quality in project management? Well, it's a systematic process that involves various activities aimed at preventing defects, errors, and deficiencies throughout the project lifecycle. It's not a one-off task, but a continuous effort that begins from the project initiation and continues until the project closure. At the heart of quality assurance is the concept of doing things right the first time. It's about avoiding costly and time-consuming rework. It's about delivering a product, service, or outcome that not only meets but exceeds the customer's expectations. It's about building trust and confidence in the project's stakeholders. Quality assurance involves quality planning, where we develop quality policies, procedures, and objectives for the project. We define quality metrics, measurable criteria that help us evaluate the quality of project deliverables, processes, and outcomes. We establish quality standards, benchmarks, guidelines, or industry best practices that we aim to comply with. Then there are quality assurance processes, which include quality audits, peer reviews, process improvement, and training and development. These are proactive measures aimed at assessing adherence to quality standards and identifying areas for improvement. We also use various quality assurance tools and techniques, such as quality checklists, statistical process control, and quality management software. These tools help us systematically verify that project deliverables meet the specified quality criteria, monitor and control project processes, and facilitate quality planning and control activities. Finally, there's quality control, which involves testing and inspection, defect management, and root cause analysis. These activities help us validate the quality of project deliverables, identify and address defects or non-conformances, and investigate underlying causes of quality issues. In summary, quality assurance in project management is not just about meeting standards, it's about exceeding expectations. It's about doing things right the first time, every time. It's about delivering value to the customer and building trust and confidence in the project stakeholders. It's about continuous improvement and striving for excellence. It's about quality, not quantity. Quality assurance starts with quality planning. But what does quality planning entail? At the heart of quality planning in project management, we find three key elements: the quality management plan, quality metrics, and quality standards. Each of these elements serves as a crucial building block in the overall quality assurance process. First, let's delve into the quality management plan. This is a comprehensive document that outlines the project's quality policies, procedures, and objectives. It's like a roadmap that guides the project team on their journey towards achieving quality. It details how the team should operate, what standards they should adhere to, and what goals they should strive for. The quality management plan is the project's quality compass, steering the team towards their ultimate destination, a project delivered to the highest standard. Next up is quality metrics. These are measurable criteria used to evaluate the quality of project deliverables, processes, and outcomes. Think of them as the project's quality KPIs. They provide tangible data that can be analyzed to assess performance and identify areas for improvement. Quality metrics are the project's quality barometer, measuring the pressure and temperature of the project's quality climate. And lastly, we have quality standards. These are the benchmarks, guidelines, or industry best practices that the project must comply with to ensure the quality of its output. They serve as the project's quality yardstick, providing a measure against which the project's quality can be assessed. Quality standards are the project's quality guardrails, keeping the project on track and preventing it from veering off the path of quality. Each of these elements plays a pivotal role in quality planning. They work together like pieces of a puzzle to create a holistic picture of quality in project management. The quality management plan provides the direction, quality metrics offer measurable insights, and quality standards set the benchmark for excellence. In essence, quality planning lays the foundation for all quality assurance processes in project management. Once a quality plan is in place, the next step involves implementing quality assurance processes. Diving into the heart of quality assurance, we come across four distinct processes that take center stage: quality audits, peer reviews, process improvement, and training and development. These processes, each unique in their approach, play a collective role in preventing defects and errors, thereby ensuring the project's quality. Quality audits. The first of these processes are like the regular health checkups we take. Just as these checkups help us identify potential health issues, quality audits involve periodical reviews of project documentation, deliverables, and processes. They help assess adherence to quality standards and pinpoint areas that need improvement. Next up, we have peer reviews. Imagine having a trusted friend proofread your work before you submit it. That's what peer reviews do in project management. Team members or subject matter experts review project work products such as code or designs and provide constructive feedback. This process ensures that any gaps or errors are caught early and rectified, thus enhancing the quality of the end product. Moving on, we come to process improvement. Just like an athlete continually refines their techniques to improve performance, in project management, there's always room for betterment. This process involves continuously assessing and enhancing project management practices to optimize efficiency and effectiveness. It's about making good processes great and great processes even better. Last but certainly not least, we have training and development. To ensure high-quality output, it's vital to have a highly skilled team. This process focuses on providing training, mentoring, or coaching to project team members. It's about sharpening their skills and enhancing their capabilities so they can deliver top-notch work. In a nutshell, these quality assurance processes are the pillars supporting the project's quality. They work hand in hand, ensuring that the project deliverables meet the required standards and that any potential issues are nipped in the bud. Quality assurance processes play a crucial role in maintaining and improving project quality. Implementing quality assurance processes requires the right tools and techniques. These tools and techniques are the backbone of quality assurance, helping project managers ensure and control project quality. Firstly, we have quality checklists. Just like a grocery list ensures you don't forget an item, a quality checklist ensures that the project deliverables meet specified quality criteria. This predefined list of criteria or requirements is a systematic way to verify every aspect of a project. It's like a roadmap to a successful project, guiding the team through each quality requirement that needs to be met. Next, we have statistical process control, or SPC for short. This technique applies statistical methods to monitor and control project processes. It's all about identifying trends and detecting deviations from the expected performance. Imagine driving a car with a GPS that alerts you when you veer off course. That's what SPC does for your project. It tracks the project's journey, alerting the team when things are moving away from the planned route. This allows for timely adjustments, keeping the project on the path to success. Finally, we have quality management software. This is a specialized tool designed to facilitate quality planning, assurance, and control activities. It's like having an assistant dedicated to quality management, helping you with document management, issue tracking, and test management. This software is a one-stop shop for all your quality assurance needs, making the process more streamlined and efficient. These tools and techniques are not standalone but work together in harmony. The quality checklist defines what needs to be done, the statistical process control ensures the project is on the right track, and the quality management software manages all the tasks and keeps everything in order. Remember, a successful project is not just about completing tasks, it's about ensuring quality in every aspect of the project. These tools and techniques can help you achieve that. They are the instruments that can turn a good project into a great one. The right tools and techniques can make the difference between a project meeting or exceeding its quality objectives. So, choose wisely, implement effectively, and watch your project flourish. Finally, let's talk about quality control, the final step in the quality assurance process. This stage is where the rubber meets the road, where we verify that our project deliverables are up to snuff and that they meet the high standards we've set. Quality control involves a number of activities, one of which is testing and inspection. This is where we put our deliverables through their paces, subjecting them to a series of tests to ensure they function as intended. We might conduct unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and even user acceptance testing. Each of these tests has a specific purpose and helps us validate the quality and functionality of our project's output. But what happens when we encounter a hiccup, a defect, or a non-conformance during our testing and inspection phase? This is where defect management comes into play. It's our system for identifying, documenting, and prioritizing any issues we find. Once we've identified a defect, we'll then take steps to address it, implementing corrective and preventive actions to ensure it doesn't reoccur. It's all about continuous improvement, identifying and learning from our mistakes to enhance the quality of our work. Lastly, we have root cause analysis. This is our detective work, our investigation into the underlying causes of quality issues or failures. By digging deep and figuring out why a problem occurred in the first place, we can put measures in place to prevent similar issues from popping up in the future. It's a proactive approach, one that helps us nip potential problems in the bud before they have a chance to impact the quality of our project deliverables. So in essence, quality control is all about verification. It's about ensuring that our project's deliverables not only meet, but exceed the quality standards we've established. It's an essential part of the project management process, one that helps us deliver the best possible product to our stakeholders. Quality control ensures that the final project deliverables meet or exceed the established quality standards. Quality assurance in project management is a complex yet rewarding process. We've journeyed through the facets of quality planning, assurance processes, and examined the vital tools and techniques. We've also delved into quality control, all of which play a pivotal role in ensuring superior project quality. These elements, when stitched together, create a robust framework that doesn't merely aim to meet quality standards. Instead, it strives to surpass them. Remember, the goal of quality assurance in project management is not just to meet quality standards, but to exceed them.